custom AI for your brand.
Welcome back. So in our previous explainer, we really dug into a growing crisis happening across the AI industry. Well, think of today's session as kind of your storybook guide to escaping that exact crisis. Let's just jump right in and look at the numbers. 88%. Just let that sink in for a second. 88% of organizations out there are confidently claiming that they've adopted AI into their workflows. It sounds amazing, right? Like absolutely everyone is getting on board. But here's the reality check. Only 6%. Yeah, you heard that right. Just 6% have actually achieved any sort of real, measurable AI transformation. I mean, that is just a massive drop-off. So what's happening to all the rest of them? Well, most companies are getting trapped in this horrible place that experts call the Trough of Sorrow. It's basically this incredibly frustrating phase where all that initial excitement totally fades away. Pilots stall out, massive budgets get completely wasted, and AI just totally fails to generate any meaningful business outcomes whatsoever. It's the dragon every SMB owner is trying to slay right now. Because, especially for small and medium-sized businesses, the challenge isn't actually getting access to AI tools anymore. They are literally everywhere. The real hurdle is figuring out how to turn that shiny object syndrome into actual, tangible, real business value. But don't worry, because this is precisely the problem Promptlys was built to solve. Literally, this is their whole deal. Promptlys is a custom live agent framework that's specifically designed to help SMBs rapidly deploy fully branded AI agents. And we're talking about agents that actually generate measurable outcomes. And let me be super clear here. We are not talking about those generic, frustrating chatbots that just hallucinate totally random answers. Nobody has time for that. We're talking about expert-crafted live agents that are explicitly tailored to your business's unique products, your services, your customers, and your specific daily workflows. Let's actually look at a prime example, Coach Sage. So imagine a local college prep tutoring business. Normally, they're completely bottlenecked by physical tutoring hours, right? There's only so much time in a day. But with Promptlys, they can deploy a live AI education coach that is available 24/7. Coach Sage can literally guide students through complex STEM concepts, run SAT practice sessions, track learning progress, and even generate summaries for the parents. It completely breaks the physical limits of a traditional business. Now, if we peek behind the scenes, what we're looking at is honestly a masterpiece of AI architecture. This isn't just someone plugging a basic prompt into a model and hoping for the best. This is a comprehensive, continuous learning system. It's the Promptlys Sage Agent Engine. If we actually zoom in on that block diagram for a second, we can really see the layers that bring Sage to life. We start right at the top with expert prompt engineering to lock in the tone and safety guardrails. Next is RAG knowledge retrieval. And all it really means is it's actively pulling from your trusted, verifiable data, so it absolutely never hallucinates. Then we add session memory to seamlessly track a student's progress over time. And finally, the magic touch, MCP action tools. These are basically the software hooks that allow Sage to actually take action, like saving a progress summary or actively recommending a new lesson. This is exactly what transforms a simple chatbot into an actual digital workforce. And the crazy part? This exact same framework extends way, way beyond just education. This very same Promptlys architecture can power Agent Sam to help with real estate market context and property positioning. Or it can power Coach Astro to help players with complex poker math and GTO decisions. Or Coach Vera for adaptive language practice. It can power creators, tax advisors, realtors, honestly, consultants and customer support across virtually any SMB industry you can think of. But hey, you definitely don't just have to take my word for it. Take Amanda Lau over at Greenlux Real Estate. She noted, and I quote, "By leveraging Promptlys AI's expertise in prompt building and custom generative AI, we built a WhatsApp-based assistant that produces analysis on our domain data. It's incredible." See, the whole future of AI isn't about just playing with new tools. It's really about operationalizing your unique expertise to get fast, reliable outcomes. So, the trough of sorrow? Yeah, that can finally be a thing of the past for your business. Start customizing AI for your brand today with Promptlys. The technology is absolutely here, the architecture is totally proven, and the setup is ready to go. So I guess the only real question left for you is, what exactly will your brand's AI agent achieve? Something to think about. Anyway, I will see you in the next explainer.